today. Now I kind of want to wrap up some filming in Gdynia, a bit further down, and get the drone out. I can't believe that time has come to an end already, so I'm here for a little bit of a wander to try and get up to, there's a big cross that lights up, and we'll take the drone up there, and then I'm going to start there and go to each city, end up in Gdansk, really pretty, so I'll take you with me. So what we've got here is a viewing platform. That's the Baltic Sea in front of us, and this viewing platform gives you a really good view out over the ocean. But on a clear day like today, all the way on that far side is a place called Hell, which is like a separate peninsula you can drive all the way around to. It takes about 2 hours to get there, or you can catch a river taxi across. But on a day like today, the fact that you can actually see it all the way from here is insane. You see all the cargo ships in the ocean. It's this is very beautiful. Okay, so that place was called Kammiena Góra, is what it's called. That was the observation point. And yeah, it's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. The view that you get there is just ridiculous. But also, we had our first successful drone flight. It was tetchy. It was very tetchy. There's birds everywhere, and the starlings are trying to attack the drone a bit. So I just have to bear that in mind for the future flights. But we did it, and I think the footage looks absolutely great. So beautiful. So when you come into Gdynia, I think that's probably maybe one of the first places you should go, or just as soon as you get a clear day, then you should consider going up to that viewing point and looking out over the city and over the port there, and it's just, oh yeah, beautiful. But time is of the essence on our final day, so we have now got to get to Sopot for our next drone flight, which is going to be down at the pier, because I haven't even actually been to the pier yet. So we're going to make us way down to there, and then that's where we're going to be doing our next flight. Okay, so the last time we came to Sopot, it was like getting ready to thunderstorm, so I'm actually really looking forward to being back here again, because I've wanted to come back since that first time. I might get a coffee at the same place again because of the sunshine, but I'm going to go right the way down to like where the beach and the pier is. That's where our second drone flight is going to be, and yeah, one drone flight down, 2 more to go. this beach here in Sopot is absolutely beautiful. The pier is just there on the left, and I was going to get on it, but the queue to get a ticket was huge. So because I wanted to fly the drone with it, I kind of didn't want to be on the pier and have to launch the drone off the pier. So I've come down to the beach here and I've got this really big space by myself, but I've just done my second drone flight. I think we've got some really nice shots there as well. I'm going to carry on shooting a bit more of Sopot, and I believe I can get up into the lighthouse there, but I'm going to see. But yes, this pier here, absolutely huge. There is a restaurant down there as well at the end. A lot of people's boats are parked in there in the middle of the pier as well, which is absolutely lovely. But yes, the weather today, prime. I think Poland has this really nice balance of everything for everybody. So definitely, if you're going to do the Tri-Cities, come to Sopot, because although she is small, she is mighty. You can come into this lighthouse. You access it from the bottom where the square is that you've just seen, and it's definitely worth it. It's 10 zloty. You come up and you get a panoramic of the beach, the pier, and even you can see down onto the Monte Cassino road, and yeah, it's spectacular. You can see the docklands and Gdansk. Do this. Definitely come and do this. Okay, so now I'm back in Gdansk, and already I forget how beautiful the architecture is here, but I've got to try and find a place to fly the drone, and I don't really know the best place to do it. It might be here, actually. It might be better off taking off over there. But the only thing is that when it's in the sky I won't be able to see it, so I could probably do with some kind of elevation. But it made me laugh because Salon Bart was like, this is a car park, and it was like, this is not even that good. And I was like, oh, look at the car park, so beautiful. But yeah, so we're gonna go into the old town. I'm gonna try and find a place to fly the drone, of course, and yeah, we'll see what magic we can make. But it's the final flight now. the trip has come to an end now. So it's it's gutting because it's been absolutely wonderful. It's just a really nice place. So I'll be sad to get back to reality, but you can't just fortunately you can't. Well, you can do this all the time if you've got loads of money, but I have to go back and stock the funds back up. But we got a big project coming again soon, and this has been really eye-opening for that project. So yeah, see you all soon.